Hi guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. Just as I have promised, I'll be going through this how to do simple analysis using coin market cap, then transferring it to TradingView, then trade for free. Place your trade for free right from this account here, this third party application, and the trade will be seen directly in your exchange. You don't need to pay anything for now. You can even use it for life for free. And I'm going to show you how. But you need to register here first. Then it does not cost a thing. The link does not cost a thing for you to copy and to register. Okay? That is that. And now let's head to CoinMarketCap. When you get to CoinMarketCap, all you need to look out for, you are going to look out for two things in CoinMarketCap. Two things, which are this: the 24-hour and the 7 day. The change that has taken place under the 7 days, as you can see it here, and this change that has taken place within the last 24 hours. We need for the 7 days to be green, and we need for the 24 hours to be what? To be red. Simple as ABC. Then, haven't seen this, head to TradingView and follow this analysis. If the analysis works, then you go to this place here to place your trade. And at times you can go a step further. If the analysis I'm going to be explaining to you, if it means the criteria with this both and with this TradingView, you may likely want to go to CWE. CWE simply means Crypto World Evolution. Crypto World Evolution .trade. Okay, to check out the parameter I will be showing you, and if everything now makes sense, then you head straight to, you can actually place your trade there. You can place your trade on Crypto World Evolution. If you already have an account there, you can place your trade, be it live or demo, or you go to this website because it has something that Crypto World Evolution doesn't have. We want to take advantage of what this website has that Crypto World Evolution does not have. Maybe in the nearest future, Crypto World Evolution will be able to inculcate or to implement what we are talking about. Let's go there. Now look at ADA. It was what? Green in the last 24 hours, in the last 7 days, but red in the last 24 hours. Does it match with the criteria? Let's give it a look. Let's try. Let's see what happens. Remember, after this, we go to TradingView, right? So now, oh, now let's go here. This was Doge that I placed the trade actually on CWE. So it was 6.5% in the morning before the trade was closed. So When it crosses here, it might be a means of breakout here. Sorry, I'm digressing a little bit. Oh, pattern. No. Looking for a rectangle. I think I mix it all up. A rectangle here. I'm checking up a zone. This is a possible zone. And here is a trend, a visible trend. Here is a visible trend. So this is a trend. Okay, so we are just waiting for a breakout. There could be a rebound there, and there can be a breakout. If there is a breakout, Doge is expected to be bought again. Okay, that was just a digression. So now, following this format, green here, red here, I go to trading view and I type ADA, just as I've done in my previous video. I will want you to go and look up that video. I will not be dwelling much on this. Okay, so we are not going to be buying this. It is on 5 minutes time frame. Anyway, look at the last analysis that was done, and you can also see, look at, there was a possible very feasible resistance area here. It's a zone. They are always zone. Okay, this is a zone. Okay, and it broke out from this zone here, though there was a retracement, but it broke out. Okay, let's check something here. This was the trade 1.77. It wasn't as much as expected. This was 6.25. Anyway, so we couldn't take this trade, and we want you to check the 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 video 2 of how to analyze cryptocurrency and trade on trading view. When you check that, once the conditions are met, you go to this website. This is this very website. Register. After the registration, you have to click on this beta. Once you click on beta, it will ask you to connect your API. It will definitely ask you to connect your API. This is my live account anyway. It will ask you to connect your API. So because I had already connected my API, how do you connect your API? This is what you should do. You should head to your Binance or to your exchange. In this case, I'm using Binance. Once you go to your Binance, you look under your name, your profile, to your upper right hand side, that place where your profile is. Then you go to API management. Then you will see create API. That's maybe create new API OPI. You are going to give it a name. Just give it anything you want. Give it a name. So once you have given it a name, then you create. It will give you what is known as API and API secret. So we are going to be creating API and API secret. So once you click on this terminal, there is a place there where you will type that name. Look at mine. You will type that name there. Once you type that name there, you will now put your API there with your API secrets. Okay, so it will request for your API and your API secret. Those two things will be requested of you. Wow, this is Binance has gone as high as what peak? 115, 116. Wow, then came back at 108. Okay, so I hope you get it. Once you have connected your Binance, then you click on Smart Trade. So once you click on Smart Trade, this is where the work is. What all you are going to be making use of here is Smart Trade. This account comes with 3 days free. 3 days free, and you will have access to everything here. Everything. 3 days free. And once you have done it for 3 days free, you can still continue with the free version if you don't have money to subscribe. Okay, so now this is how we go about it. Haven't done your analysis from the video I showed you in the last video. Let's just quickly make an example of another one. Link. Can link be a good example? Okay, let's go to link USDT. Click on it. No, it's not. Okay, but it's trying to retest and jump up. Let's go to another one. Doge. Can Doge be or IV? Let's look at Doge. I traded it today. Doge USDT. Okay, it's going up now. Look at it here. Look at the breakout. Look at the analysis I made on Doge USDT, and it's breaking out now. And the breakage is even on the green momentum, the green trend line is already in the box. If it breaks out now, it's going to be in money. But we can do this analysis right away here in these three commas. Here, I will just come here, market USDT. I will select USDT, then trading pair. I'm going to type Doge here. That is it here. Once you click on it, it brings out the pair. Scroll down. This is the pair here. You change it to the time frame you want. I'm using 5 minutes time frame. So now here is the trading view. And as you can see it, look at this bot here. It has told me buy. You see, it has already told me buy. Once you enter, it will be on buy on the market price. Don't forget, if you this is already at the breaking point. Now it's at the break, you have to buy now. So once you click down here, I'm not having enough money here. Okay, I'm not having enough money on my USDT. I move it to my BSD. Okay, now let's quickly come here, come to CWE. No, once you come here, you want to click on buy. For instance, you will put the total amount of USDT you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy worth of 300 US dollars. Then all you need to do, you put the amount there. So here, this is the breaking point. Look at it here. This is the price there. But you want a condition of a sort. So all you need to do, you have first and foremost is going to be on Smart Trade. Here, Smart Trade. Then my $300 worth of USDC will buy me 4,041 units of Doge. Then I'm not buying at market price. Remember, it's breaking forth now. It has retraced. It has retraced, and we really want a breakout here. Let me use something here. Look at the same thing. This is the breakout. We just want a breakout here. Yeah, we want a breakout there. And also, don't forget that our trend line, we apply our trend line. You can do everything here. We apply our trend line here. Okay, it's uptrend. is going. You can see it has retraced, but we want to buy once it breaks out from this box here. So I'm going to put this buy icon. I put it here so that I will be able to know. I can put it slightly above. So it is here, already here. Okay, at it is at 749628. Automatically, look at it here. It has already been here. Once you drag this stuff, once you drag it, anywhere you drag it to, that unit, that amount, that equivalent, that price will automatically be imputed into this bid here, and it is limit buy. Okay, because you are telling it when this price, when it goes up above this place, buy. It is limit buy. Okay, it is limit buy. It means when this price moves up to this point, there might be a breakout, buy. Otherwise, don't buy. That is what it means here. Okay, otherwise, don't buy. And I'm going to teach you in another video what this trailing buy means. Okay, we cannot use the trailing buy. Once we are placing it, we are asking the bot to buy above. We cannot do that. We cannot put the trailing buy. We cannot use it. We can only use the trailing buy if we are expecting the price to come down to touch a particular place here. For instance, okay, let me just discuss the trailing buy now. For instance, we are expecting this price to come down maybe to a place like this, okay, to this place. Let me give it a color so you can see. Okay, to this magenta color, we are saying, okay, this is a place we want to enter this trade. Once you trend, once you come down to this place, you can pick the trade. I will now put the price of this place, this very magenta, because it is below the price level. It is below the price level. I will now impute the price level here that robot help me to buy when the price comes down. But should in case the price keep falling down, don't buy immediately. Trail the buying. I will now activate trail buy at least 1%, which means that whenever the price surged below this place at 1%, the robot will monitor it and move the buying. It will not buy, it will come down. And it will be, if the trail continues, if the trend keeps coming down the way it is now, the robot will not buy, it will buy at a possible safest area so that you will be in the money quickly. That is what the trailing buy is. You can see it is very powerful. It makes you to be in control. And after you have set these two stuff, now you now come to take profit. Once you come to take profit, you can just type your profit here. Maybe you just want 5% or you want 50%. You type your 50% here. It means that there will be automatical. Okay, let me put it at 15 so that you can see what I want you to see. Put it at 15. Want to put it at 15, you will see the take profit bar. The take profit bar will actually pop up somewhere up here. You will see the take profit bar. This is not popping up because there is no money here to place insufficient fund, you see. So by the time you have sufficient fund and you place the take profit button, you can put the percentage and you can even split your percentage. You say, okay, when you click on split percentage, you can say, okay, from this, let 15% be met at let so amount, like here now, let 25% of my target be achieved at so volume, and you keep adding so that as the price goes up, we bought 4,000 plus, 300 plus. Okay, let 10% of the total volume, let it be closed at 15% so that I will hold my profit there and let the other $200 be running. And when it gets to so percent, but I don't really use this. I don't. I don't use this at all. What do I use? Let me remove it. I don't use this. You can just remove it. Okay, I don't do that. I only put my percentage here, maybe something like 5%, or there's going to be another look at it here, the take profit. Look at the take profit. You can drag the take profit here. Look at the possible support. This is the possible support. So you can drag the take profit to the next support. Once you drag it here, automatically the percentage will appear here. Look at the percentage. But if you really want to go high, you can move it high. Once you move it high, for you to be secured and to play safe, you have to activate set stop loss. Once you set your stop loss, you are telling it that as the profit is going up, I want you to be taking my profit at what level? Maybe at every 3%. Once I've made more 3% of my profit, the stop loss will be moved to that take profit. It's locking my profit. Once the trend move again in my favor and I'm making more money, the stop loss will move again higher to be locking my profit. So these are the features that are here that are not in CWE. Okay, so and I really want to take the advantage. Vis-a-vis, I can really trade there after I've exhausted my 3 days. I can still trade there for some time, but you will not enjoy all these freebies as such if you are using the free version, but you can still place your trade on live account. Okay, but here the money, the amount to pay here, you can pay $175 for a whole year. Imagine $175 for one whole year. That is amazing, right? So you can do that. So was it 1 year or for 3 months? Abi, yeah, for 3 months subscription. Let's see. Let's see. Let me give correct information here. Look at your free. Look at, you can choose free. You pay $0 per month. Pay $0 per month. You will still be able to use the smart trade, but you can only have one trade at a time. The smart trade is what I just showed us now, and you can just use just only one trade at a time. Okay, just one trade at a time. You can use the bots, but don't go near here. We can use the simple buy and sell, but what I'm teaching us for this purpose of this video is the smart bot, the smart trade. You can only have one trade at a time if you really want to manage. But if you are very serious, you are very passionate about your trading, very passionate, why not go for that of $15 per month with annual payments? If you are paying annually, so for a year, it means how much are you going to pay? Just multiply this by 12. It's worth it. Just $15 by 12. That is about 170 something or so. Yeah, I'm correct. And you'll be able to use the smart trade terminal, spot, margin, and future. Countless number of trades. Okay. If you want to go higher, then you can actually go with any of these. But you don't want to do any of this. You want to go for monthly plan. Click on monthly plan here. Strictly monthly plan. Look at it. Monthly payment. You want to try this out for a month, not yearly. Monthly. You can just pay $26.1 in a month. Can you now compare this? And you will enjoy everything that comes up with this. That is a very big deal for you with all that came up with this. I think you should just go with it. You can start from the zero, but knowing that you will not be able to trade more than one. But I believe you want to be a good trader, you want to take charge, you want to make money. Okay? By the time you connect your account, all your balance will be here, real account. Your balance will be showing here, as mine is showing here, everything. So, and you can just pay $26.1, 1 month payment. You want to go more, you want to do more thing, then you can just go higher. It's still way lower. Even the pro version of it is way much more lower than CWE. Let's be realistic here. Let's be realistic. The pro version of this is much more lower than the CWE. And all you get here is much more than CWE. So what you need to do is to register yourself with Olympus. You have to register yourself with Olympus. But you can't just go to Olympus team and register. You must collect the link from the person that actually brings you in. You register with Olympus. Early bird is 30 US dollars for now. Early bird. When you register with Olympus, Olympus will be giving you signal. They are doing so amazingly wonderful. Olympus will be giving you signal. Once Olympus gives you signal, then you come straight to Theory Commerce and place your trade. If you are just a free user, but Olympus gives multiple trades at times 3, 4, and mostly they are all in the money. We are still recording 100% as it is now. So I will advise you to choose this. Even with Olympus subscription and with the starter package subscription, it is still way back from what you ought to pay with CWE. So when you have any question, don't forget to hit me up. Kindly use my referral link and I'll be dropping more strategies on how to get this thing done, okay? Odeyemi Akinyemi remains my humble name. Thank you and God bless you.